Hello friends, today is our topic how to create a bolt or screw in Solidworks. Okay, let's start. Firstly select a plane. Let's select a right plane. Okay, draw a polygon, number of sides 6. Okay, dimension, let's take it 10 millimeter. Okay, extrude 10 millimeter. Draw the bolt body, dimension it. Let's take it 10 millimeter. Okay, extrude 50 millimeter. Okay, now we have to draw threads on body. Okay, go to curve face and draw a circle. Let's take it 9 millimeter. Okay, there you can see asking the pitch, revolution, straight angle, direction clockwise or counterclockwise. Okay, we select 1 mm pitch and revolution 40. Click OK. Now you can see helix is created over the top view and draw a polygon again on top view. Number set 3. Okay, let's dimension it. Millimeter. And 5. Okay, and then diameter is 1 millimeter. No. Okay. Okay. Now go to feature and swift cut, profile and path. This is our profile. This is our profile and this is our path. Let's select spline. Okay. Now click OK. Okay. Now you can see our bolt is created. Then fill on this face like 2 millimeter. Face 1, 2. Okay. Okay. Now you can see our bolt is created. Okay.